Hey guys, you ever have one of those days where you're just driving and I swear everybody's just out to hit you?
And
They're either on their phone or I don't know what's going on with people nowadays. They must have got their driver's license, I think, sometimes out of a cracker box or something. Just crazy. Went to town. I'm coming back today and heading back, and I've already slammed on the brakes once just going to town. I wasn't far. Coming back towards home there and cruising right along, and this Explorer just runs a stop sign. I don't know if you saw that here, but let me back it up for you and take a closer look. Anyway, I don't know what's going on with people. It's pretty dangerous out there. And look, we're right by a school. It's got to be something done. I don't know what the answer is, but we got to do something. It's just crazy. Be safe. Wear your seatbelt. Look out for the other ones. You have to be defensive, not offensive drivers because they ain't paying no attention at all, dumbasses.